Hello guys, this is Veneric and welcome to the Guide channel. So for this video, I will be helping you to create your own Instagram account with just simple and easy steps. But before I begin, roll on intro. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss on our upcoming videos. Okay guys, let's begin this tutorial now. So let's head to the Google Chrome or your internet browser. Let's open it and type in instagram.com. Then hit enter, and we are now at the home page of Instagram. So as you can see, if you want to register a new account, just fill up those infos on the right side of it, or you can use your Facebook account since Facebook owns Instagram. And also, by the way, you can directly add your friends on Facebook via Instagram. By the way guys, during this tutorial I have encountered a problem with my email, so I use my mobile number in registering this Instagram account. So guys, after I click sign up, then they will send me a confirmation number on my mobile number that I use, so I place it and then click confirm. There you have it guys, you have created a new Instagram account for your business or personal brand. By the way, don't forget to add a profile image of that Instagram account so it will look legit and original. Also, I will be showing additionally on how you can make this account into a private one. So guys, to make that Instagram account profile, you need to go to the settings, and there you can see in the very top of it is the word account privacy. Just click it and congratulations, your account is just become a private one. Okay guys, what do you think on this video? Let me know in the comment below, and thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you soon in my upcoming video. Bye bye.